There is strength within sorrow. There is beauty in our tears. And you meet us in the morning with a love that casts out fear. You are working in a waiting. You are sanctifying us. When the other understanding, you are teaching us to trust. You want us still to prosper. You have not forgotten us. You're with us in the fire and the blood. You're faithful forever, perfect in love. You are so real over us.
Your wisdom unmatched. Who could understand your ways? Really high above the heavens, reaching down in endless grace. You're the lifter of the lowly, compassionate and kind. You surround and you uphold me. Your promises are my delight.
Your plans are still to prosper. You have not forgotten us. You're with us in the fire and the blood. You're faithful forever, perfect in love. You are so great over us. Even what the enemy means for evil, you turn it for our good. You turn it for our good and for your glory. Even in the valley, you are faithful. You're working for our good. You're working for our good and for your glory. Even in the valley means for evil, you turn it for our good. You turn it for our good and for your glory. Even in the valley, you are faithful. You're working for our good. You're working for our good and for your glory. Your plans are still to prosper. You have not forgotten us. You're with us in the fire and the blood. You're faithful forever, perfect in love. You are so real over us. Your plans are still to prosper. You have not forgotten us. You're with us in the fire and the flood. You're faithful forever, perfect in love. You are so great. forever, perfect in love. You are sovereign over us. God is sovereign. You are sovereign.